I officially have done it yet again. I tried Shopify Dropshipping for 30 days to see what type of results I can get. And yet again, we were able to be successful with a brand new store, brand new product. And this time I'm going to be revealing what product I sold. I'll show you the website, and I'm even going to show you the strategy that I use to get the success in this store so you can utilize it for yourself. Now, this exact strategy I'm going to be revealing in this video that allowed me to be successful in 30 days with a brand new store. Nobody's talking about on YouTube. Nobody. Now, as you can see on my screen, here are the results for the last 30 days. Brand new store, $0 to $29,962.47 in total sales. And the craziest part about this is that this store was actually one of my student stores, okay? And what I helped her do is turn the store from about break even to majorly profitable and to scaling upwards of $2,600 per day with this store. Now, because of some sizing issues, we are putting this store on pause for now, and that is why I'm revealing to you guys today. And I do think this has massive potential. It's also a little bit seasonal, so I do expect it to die out in a little bit anyways. So I was like, why not just put this as a YouTube case study? As you can see, the coolest part about this product is that it has an $84 average order value, which is insane. Okay, we're selling the product for $39.99, but yet people are spending the average of $84 on our website, which is incredible. Now, it's time to reveal the product that we sold. So let's go on to our website. Here is the product that we have scaled from 0 to 29,000 in 30 days, okay? Which is absolutely incredible. This is a window privacy platinum film. How does it work? Really simple. Coming down here, as you can see, you just put this film on your window and nobody can see inside your house anymore, but you can see out, which is awesome. Now, when my student came to me with this product, it was costing her $15 to get one item shipped to customers around the world. Now, that quickly changed because the private supplier that she was using was just really expensive, had slow shipping, was just not good. And that was really holding her back from scaling. Again, she brought me this product when she was doing a few $100s a day, slightly profitable, break even, but right away I made that one switch by connecting her to Commercive, my private supplier, and that changed a lot because we're selling this product at $39.99 and Commercive was able to quote this product at $5. The other supplier was $15. So imagine $10 extra profit every single item sold. That was massive for the store. Okay, so if you don't have a good supplier, you got to make sure you get that set. If you want to get connected to this private supplier that I recommend for my students, then go ahead and click the link in the description. It's going to be a Discord link, and then you'll be able to come to the Discord channel named Join Commercive. Okay, click on this link right over here. It'll take you to the WAP page for Commercive. It's 7 days free, so if you want to try it out and see if this is something that you enjoy using as a private supplier, then go ahead and do that. There is no risk. Try it out. Then it's just $29.99 a month. That's literally just one order and it'll pay for your subscription. Now, once you press get access and subscribe to Commercive Fulfillment, you'll come into the Discord and you're going to be able to see the supplier section. If you're not a member, you won't be able to see supplier. So make sure that you use that link to become a member, and then you're going to be able to press create a ticket. Once you create a ticket, you'll be able to talk with an agent, send them your AliExpress link of your product or even just a picture of your product, and they'll tell you how much the product's going to cost. So therefore, you know how much profit margin you have to work with. Then once you have your first order, or even if you have orders right now, let them know, hey, I have orders, and they will instantly install their app into your store so they can ship out your products. They'll just send you the bill for the products, you pay it, and they do the shipping. They handle everything from manufacturing to fulfillment. It's literally a cheat code, and you shouldn't be using all these other tools out there that are ripping you off. So make sure you get Commercive set up, and if you do have more than 10 orders per day currently, you want to see if Commercive can beat your pricing, which they probably could, then feel free to reach out to me on Instagram, or there will be a form in the description as well. I'll try to put that in there. Now, I know a lot of you have been wanting to know, how did we find this product? Now, this product was found using a method that I'm officially now sharing on YouTube. And this is so much sauce that people, even in their paid programs, don't even reveal this stuff. So if you're enjoying this sauce, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more saucy videos to come. And this is how we similarly found cloudy sharks. My partner Ronell was once scrolling on TikTok and he found a video that went viral of the cloudy sharks, right? Another brand was selling it and there was only really one or two other stores selling it. And he asked himself, hey, if they're doing so well with it, if they're getting tons of views, tons of comments, tons of sales, right, then it's probably gonna work for me too. And then he started running that product. That's when we partnered and were able to scale it to close to $1 million in sales. However, this method that I'm about to reveal to you is a little bit different. It's a little bit of a twist. Okay, so if you go and type in on TikTok, window privacy film, you'll be able to see the first video that pops up is this video with 11 million views. Okay, now if you click on it, let me show you the video.
Guys, if your home hasn't got window film on it yet, then you're missing out on massive heat reduction, glare reduction, and privacy gains. I mean, who wants to have their blinds down all day? You can't see out of them and it just makes the room look dark. But with our window film, you can have the blinds up all day, so you've got plenty of natural light coming in, and at the same time, you're not going to have any nosy neighbours trying to look into your property because they can't. But also, you're not going to get that annoying reflection when you're watching TV because our film reduces glare by 83% and reduces solar heat by up to 85%, all while allowing you to see out clearly.
Okay, so as you can see, this video got 11 million views on TikTok, 659,000 likes, 3,488 comments. Like, it went crazy viral. And a lot of the comments, okay, are not like little kids saying, oh, so cute, or like dropping like random emojis, right? They're actually adults, right? People that are over 30 years old that got the money, right? And they're gonna actually spend big bucks on a product like this. And I was thinking to myself, if this went viral on TikTok, then it would probably crush it on Facebook. Okay, so this product, because it did so well on TikTok, we didn't have to reinvent the wheel. We knew that it was going to work. So what we literally did was we used a video like this and we brought it to Facebook ads. Okay, so this what did well on TikTok, brought it over to Facebook, and you could do the same thing the other way around. So if you see a video that went viral on Facebook or a product that's doing really well on Facebook, try to bring it to TikTok, right? And that's what we did with this product. Brought it over to Facebook, started to crush it, okay, because it was already proven to sell on TikTok. It already went viral, got 11 million views, brought it over to Facebook, right? Started to do right away, a few $100s a day. I came in there, improved on the website, improved on, getting a better price for the products, created a few more creatives, and was able to scale this to $30,000 in sales from scratch in the first 30 days. So that is the method, right? Bringing it from one platform to the other. And this is super underrated. You can go and scroll on your feed. If you see a video that went viral and the comments look good, like look at the comments here, right? People are really saying some good stuff, some controversial stuff. People, look at the top comment. People are saying these don't work at night. Close your curtains or blinds like a normal person. These are for when the sun is out, right? And here's another comment that got 1,600 likes, not for privacy, but heat reduction. I did this in a house that I owned and the electrical bill dropped by $80 a month, which is absolutely insane, right? So instead of talking about how this will help with privacy, what about talking about the electric bill, right? And which we added to our website. If you take a look at our website, you'll be able to see reduces heat in the summer and preserves warmth in the winter. We also talked here about energy efficient, save on energy bills with our film's excellent installation properties. It helps maintain comfort indoor temperature by keeping your space cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, right? So these things allowed us to market the product by looking at the comments, and of course gives us another angle to go after. Now, if you made it this far and want me to choose you a winning product, a product that's already crushing it on TikTok or Facebook, so you could bring it over to the other platform, and as a bonus, I'm also going to be taking that product and building you a high converting store just like the one I showed you. This is again just for 5 people. So if you want access to this program, I'm also going to be giving you the training, the mentorship, and the step-by-steps on how to launch TikTok and Facebook ads like a pro and help you be able to scale your store to $500 to $1,000 a day. If that's something that interests you, I'm going to be taking applications for this. All you need to do is go to the link in the description. It's going to say book a call. You just click on that link, choose the time that works best for you. You're going to be able to hop on a call with either me or one of my team members. We'll see if it's the right fit, see if this is something that you can get involved with, and of course go over all the details if we think it's the right fit. I'm going to get a lot of book calls, so do not wait. Book your call now, and then we'll be able to see if this is something that we can bring you on. Again, this is something super exclusive, so if you do want me to choose you a product, build you a high converting store, give you the step-by-step training on everything, and go ahead and show you what is currently working for TikTok and Facebook ads, and of course be able to crush it with dropshipping this year, book that call, and I'll talk to you, and I'll see you on the other side. Peace.